Welcome back to my channel where we explore the coolest, quirkiest, and most innovative camper vehicles on the planet. If you're into compact campers, ultra-efficient travel setups, and adventure-ready rides, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the latest in camper tech and design. Today, we're diving into something that's redefining solo and minimalist travel, the 2026 NomadX Camper Tricycle. This machine is not just a mode of transport. It's a full-on micro-living solution designed for the modern nomad who wants to explore the world without the bulk, noise, or footprint of a traditional RV. So what makes the Nomad X stand out in the rapidly growing world of camper tricycles? Let's break it down. At first glance, the 2026 Nomad X looks sleek and futuristic, almost like a concept vehicle come to life. But behind its unique design is some serious functionality. Built on a rugged, reinforced tricycle chassis, it's light enough to maneuver through narrow city lanes or forest trails, yet sturdy enough to carry everything you need for an off-grid adventure. Powering the Nomad X is a next-gen 1,500-watt electric hub motor paired with a long-range lithium-ion battery system. On a full charge, you're looking at a solid 120 kilometers of range under average load. If you're going pedal-assisted, you can stretch that even further. For those who like to go green, there's also a fold-out 400-watt solar panel system integrated into the roof, perfect for recharging while you're parked and soaking in the scenery. Now let's talk about the living space, because that's really where the Nomad X shines. The camper module is a modular, weather-sealed cabin with surprisingly clever use of space. It sleeps one adult comfortably, or two in a pinch. The fold-out bed transforms into a cushioned bench during the day, and there's a compact workstation that folds out from the sidewall, perfect for digital nomads who need to plug in and get things done. The cabin is insulated with eco-friendly materials that keep it cool in the summer and warm in the winter, and the ventilation system includes a high-efficiency roof fan and optional HEPA air filter. There's also an integrated LED lighting system powered entirely by the onboard battery. What about food and storage? The Nomad X comes with a compact kitchenette module. It includes a single-burner induction stove, a 10-liter electric cooler, and a collapsible sink with a 15-liter freshwater tank and a 10-liter greywater system. There's enough room to store dry goods for a week, and a slide-out dining table that can be used inside or out. Storage, though minimal, is intelligently designed. Under-seat compartments, wall-mounted pockets, and an exterior cargo rack provide more than enough space for your gear. There's even a hidden compartment for valuables. For hygiene, the Nomad X includes a detachable privacy tent that houses a compact composting toilet and solar shower setup. It's not luxury, but it's functional, and it allows you to stay off-grid for longer stretches without relying on campsites or public facilities. Safety and visibility were clearly a priority in the design of this trike. The Nomad X includes LED headlamps, turn indicators, brake lights, and reflective paneling all around. There's also an optional GPS tracker and alarm system for added peace of mind when you step away from your trike. Riding comfort is solid. The front suspension fork and rear air shocks absorb most road vibrations, making for a smooth ride even on gravel paths. The seat is ergonomic, and the cockpit includes an LCD dashboard displaying speed, battery level, and range. You also get USB-C and standard USB ports for charging devices on the go. Now, one of the most important aspects, weight and size. The entire trike comes in at just under 120 kilograms, and it's about 2.5 meters long and just under a meter wide. That means you can legally ride it on bike lanes in most cities, and even push it manually where riding is prohibited. When parked, the solar panels and side awning fold out to create a shaded outdoor area, perfect for relaxing or cooking. Customization is another area where the Nomad X impresses. Buyers can choose from a range of color options, battery upgrades, and accessory kits, including winter tires, extra solar panels, or even a mini satellite internet package. Whether you're planning a summer tour through the mountains or a year-long journey across the continent, the Nomad X can be tailored to your adventure. So, who is the 2026 Nomad X really for? It's ideal for solo travelers, digital nomads, minimalist adventurers, or anyone who wants a self-contained, sustainable way to see the world without needing a van or trailer. It's not about luxury, it's about freedom, mobility, and reducing your footprint. Now let's talk numbers. The base model of the 2026 Nomad X comes in at around $7,800. With upgrades like the long-range battery, solar kit, and kitchen module, you're looking at around $10,500 fully equipped. For that price, you're essentially getting a mobile microhome that costs less than 1 month's rent in many cities. So, if you're dreaming of hitting the road without the cost or complications of traditional van life, the 2026 Nomad X Camper Tricycle might just be your perfect match. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow adventurers, and drop a comment below. Would you ride across the country on something like the Nomad X? And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because we've got more awesome microcampers, off-grid vehicles, and travel gear coming your way every week. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching.